Hello everyone, welcome to Research Solution. My name is Dr. Deborsi Jana. I am consultant statistician and young scientist. We made this channel to guide you through your research work such as project writing, thesis writing, result and analysis, synopsis and publication, as well as to give a useful idea and hints. Today we are here to discuss how to choose a research topic for a dissertation or thesis.
Choosing a research topic for a dissertation or thesis can be a daunting task. It is one of the most important decisions that a postgraduate, medical or Ph.D. student has to make, as it can significantly impact the success of the research work. Here are some tips to help you choose a research topic that will be both interesting and feasible. Tip number 1. Start with a broad area of interest. Begin by identifying a broad area of interest. This could be a topic you have studied before, or maybe something you are passionate about. It is important to choose a topic that you are genuinely interested in, as you will be spending a lot of time researching and writing about it. Tip number 2. Do background research. Once you have identified a broad area of interest, start doing some background research. Look for existing literature on the topic and read as much as you can. This will help you to identify gaps in the literature that you could address in your own research. It will also help you to refine your research question. Next, refine your question. Once you have done some background research, you should be able to refine your research question. Your research question should be specific, clear, and focused. It should also be feasible within the time and resources available to you. In other words, your research question should be something that you can realistically answer through your research. Tip number 3. Consider the student. When choosing a research topic, it is important to consider the student. This includes the availability of data and resources, as well as ethical considerations. You should also consider the scope of the project and whether it is feasible within the time and resources available to you. 4. Consult with your guide. Your supervisor can provide invaluable guidance and support when choosing a research topic. They can help you to refine your research question and provide advice on the student of the project. They can also help you to identify potential sources of funding or other resources that may be available to you. Tip number 5. Be prepared to adapt. Finally, it is important to be prepared to adapt your research topic as you go along. As you start to collect data, you may find that your research question needs to be refined, or that you need to change your approach. This is normal, and it is important to be flexible and adaptable in order to ensure the success of your project. In conclusion, choosing a research topic for a dissertation or thesis can be a challenging process, but by following these tips you can choose a topic that is both interesting and feasible. Remember to start with a broad area of interest, do background research, refine your research question, consult with your supervisor, and be prepared to adapt as you go along. With these tips, you will be well on your way to choosing a research topic that will lead to a successful dissertation or thesis. Like this video and share it with a fellow postgraduate medical or PhD student. And do subscribe to our channel for more such content. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video. We provide full thesis guidance, publication in NMC-approved journal, data analysis and interpretation, and scientific support. Thank you. See you next week with another video.